Hello, Internet. This video is an out-of-box review and installation of this L1 security camera. It's wireless, it's solar powered by Winnie's. At the end of this video, I will give you instructions on how to win one of these. It's about $110 value during one of my live streams, which will take place 10 days after posting this video. Keep watching. Okay, a representative from Winnie's, that's how I'm going to pronounce this. It's a W. They reached out to me and asked if I would do on Scott's Garage a product review. And I'm excited about this because I have a perfect application for this. So here's the camera itself. And I can see right away that it does have a speaker on it. So I assume it has a microphone as well. We'll see. And it looks like a quick release here. So this is the mounting bracket for wherever you mount it to. Yeah, sure enough. So you can easily take the camera on and off. So I'll be attaching this and then the camera attaches to that. It is wireless, which is nice. Okay, it's a USB Type-C that came with it. Various screws and anchors that are there. A quick start guide, which I'll read through here in just a second. Okay, this is the mounting bracket, I assume, for the solar panel. And this is the mounting sticker, which if I wanted to pre-drill the holes, I could do that. Probably won't do that. Okay, here's the solar panel. You can tell it's weatherproof. And likewise, it's the USB Type-C. It looks like quite a lengthy cord here. And again, this will be the mounting bracket. There's two places here to mount it to get the optimal sunlight. Okay, and glancing through the quick start guide. So there's a charging cable, so I assume that there is a built-in battery. Makes sense that the solar panel is going to be charging the battery. However, that's what this is for, is that USB, if you can charge it, the battery that's there, and then the solar will just keep it charged. Okay, there's an app. It's through the app that we will control the camera. So I'll be installing that app. And it tells, once you do that, how to power it up, how to position the solar panel, how to do the quick release. Looks pretty easy. Let's get this thing installed. Okay, let's see how hard it is to install the app. So I have an iPhone. It looks like it's right there, so it's called iDot. Okay, let's open it. Hello. Hello. Okay, next. Add device. Okay, scan the QR code with your camera.
Scanning successful. Trying to connect Wi-Fi.
That's cool.
Adding procedure successful.
Okay, very good. And it gives you instructions on the app, best places to mount it. It has motion detection mode, activity zone, edit activity zone. So I'll be doing all that after I get it installed here. But for now, that will be good. And let's get it mounted. Okay, so I installed this camera at my parents' house, and you can see that beautiful views here. So this is going south. It'll work really well for the solar panel, just the right angle there. And it's away from the overhang and should get direct sun all day long. And then the camera is here. And the reason I positioned it here is that they get wildlife. And we know, deer and elk, but also sometimes bears. So this will be our camera to record any wildlife that may show up here. And really looking forward to this. I think the camera is well built. I'm looking forward to experimenting with the app and seeing what it all does. And so far, so good. Okay, I'm about a half hour away from my parents' place, and I wanted to see what it looks like on the app. So the app is called iDot, and here is the security camera. It's an L1, by the way, Winnie's. So pulling it up there, I want to expand the view. So there it is, full screen. Now it's standard definition right now, but you simply toggle that and change it to high definition, which is really nice, very clear. If I wanted to listen, simply unmute it. And if there are any birds in the background or people talking, I can listen in. There's also a train track, and I'm sure the volume is no sound right now, but trains come by occasionally, and you can see them. I'm looking forward to making a video listening to the train. I want to take a picture, just snap it right there, and it saves it right to my camera, my phone, photos. If I wanted to talk, I simply hit the phone icon. I could speak, a little speaker that's there. Here I'm just pushing out to take a video. So it's taking a high definition video. And likewise, when I'm done with the video, it will save it to my phone. I really love this app. I love this camera. I really recommend it, highly recommend it. I'll put an affiliate link below if you're interested in this. The affiliate link simply means that you pay the same price, but a small portion would be sent to me. Hey, I hope you liked the video. Now, here are the instructions on how to win one of these L1 cameras by Winnie's, $110 value. And the instructions are this. You simply have to like the video. Secondly, you have to leave a comment. That's it. Now, exactly 10 days after the original posting of this video, I will do one of my live stream giveaways, and we will have a random name generator based on the comments, and we will pick a winner at that time. Have a great day.